I think thrifted homes are so much cooler. Welcome to my video series on conscious and sustainable consumption. I am talking about all things sustainability and buying things, especially secondhand, mostly when it comes to homeware, fashion, and so on. And I'm currently talking about furniture. In my last video, I kind of explained how I approach buying furniture pieces secondhand, and I was mostly talking about functional items. But what about those really fun, special, cool pieces that might be more decorative? This wardrobe and this hot air balloon, they are two excellent examples of this in my current apartment. Finding very specific items secondhand sometimes can be harder than new. So let's say you want to get yourself a green velvet couch and you already checked all of your local secondhand sites and you cannot find it. If you were to buy that new, you would absolutely find an option somewhere online, no problem. Secondhand, sometimes that's a little bit harder. You have several options now. Number one, increase your radius. Look further away. Make a trip out of it. Think, okay, maybe there is something near a friend's place several hours away. Maybe I can visit said friend and pick up this furniture piece on the same weekend. This blue closet came up when I was looking here in Berlin. I bought it in Berlin, but it comes with a matching dresser. There is actually a blue set for boys, a pink and red set for girls, and I desperately want the pink and red dresser. And I know of every single pink and red dresser in all of Germany that is being sold secondhand. And I am keeping my eye on those if maybe one day I'm going to be in one of those areas, so it makes sense for me to pick that up, which I know is wild to say, but at some point I want that dresser. I don't need it right now. So that makes it much easier. This hot air balloon is actually a hand-me-down from my brother. I've had several people tell me how much they love this hot air balloon. The skill now is to know how and where to find it. This hot air balloon is over 20 years old. The approach I use for finding something like this is I will try to look everywhere possible to see if I can find a brand name, and then I will use Google Lens plus that brand name to try and find it. And this actually came in a set with a model car, and you can get it secondhand for about 40 euros. Another excellent example is a clock that I bought and I'm currently storing at my parents' house because my apartment is too small. I have an Excel sheet of dream life items. These are mostly furniture pieces that I want to own one day. I'm not going to buy all those things at once. I don't want to have them right now because I don't want to move them with me. It's that simple. There is one beautiful clock. It is essentially a gigantic watch, and I wanted it. And so I looked secondhand. Where can I find it? And I found one close to where my parents live. So I was like, hey, could we maybe make this happen as a Christmas present? And it is currently being stored at my parents' house, and one day it will end up in my apartment. Thinking ahead is something that can be very useful when it comes to secondhand purchases as well.